Sri Lakshmi Steel Suppliers Manufacturing Facility. Our manufacturing team is committed to make and deliver quality products to our customers to meet their expectations. Our manufacturing products include color-coated sheets and accessories, the welded wire mesh of GI mesh and MS mesh, chain links, welding electrodes, self-drilling screws. We are equipped with an automatic state-of-the-art equipment along with trained manpower. Wire drawing. We buy raw material from reputed sources like JSW and VSP, which are tested for dimensions and undergo audit lab tests for chemical and mechanical properties. The MS 5.50 mm coils are fed to the wire drawing machine to make wires of diameter 2.2 to 2.8 mm. The machine has a capacity of 600 tons per month. The output is tested for size, straightness, and ovality. In-house wire drawing gives a cleaner shining product. Straightening machine. The drawing wires are straightened in straightening machines to get cut lengths of 3, 4, 5, and 6 straightened wire to feed welding machines. Online checks are made to ensure the length of wire and bend in the wire. Weld mesh. There are 4 machines which produce in 25 by 25 and 32 by 32 sizes with a width of 3 feet to 6 feet. Another machine to produce 17 by 17 GI is being commissioned. The toolings like electrodes are periodically conditioned to ensure consistent and strong weld. In the process, checking includes mesh opening, width, and spanner test for weak welds. The rolls are automatically wrapped with stretch film to avoid moisture and foreign material. An audit check is made for weld strength by uncalling finished rolls. We are geared up to produce 600 tons per month. We concentrate on material handling of our FG while loading it to vehicles. Key features. Low carbon ensures strong welding. Soft wire assures workability. Uniform spacing of wires. Specifications. Width up to 6 feet. Length up to 50 feet or as per order. Wire diameter 1.6 mm to 6 mm. Mesh size 17 into 17 mm to 100 mm into 100 mm. Manufactured using Vizag wire rod. Chain link. We have 7 machines all around our branches, wherein at Tibele 3 machine, Hindupur 1 machine, Hubli 1 machine, Mangalore 1 machine, and Madurai 1 machine to produce sizes of 50 mm into 50 mm, 55 mm into 55 mm, 60 mm into 60 mm, 75 mm into 75 mm, and 100 mm into 100 mm for wire thickness of 2.4 mm and 2.8 mm. Machines are fully automatic, which enables us to have one operator manning 2 machines for cost saving. Online checking includes the width of chain link pitch size, and link locking part of chain link. Durastrom uses the industry's best technology to manufacture GI chain link. Firm quality checks on numerous parameters assure the best quality product. Key features. Good quality galvanizing for higher durability. The raw material is drawn from a Vizag wire rod. Perfect locking mechanism at the end strand of wire. Superior strength wire protects the chain link from breakage. Specifications. Width up to 6 feet. Length up to 50 feet or as per order. Wire diameter 1.6 mm to 4 mm. Pitch 25 mm into 25 mm to 100 mm to 100 mm. Roll forming machine. We have 7 high and medium speed roll forming machines in the group at Attibele 1 machine, Hubli 1 machine, Hindupur 1 machine, Calicut 1 machine, Mangalore 1 machine, Madurai 1 machine, and Ranipet 1 machine has a capacity of 7,715 tons per month. The profile and width is built into the tooling and does not require any setting. The forming rollers get the required maintenance to ensure this. The sheets are well covered with a transparent sheet in transportation to avoid moisture and foreign material. Raw material. We carry optimum inventory to prevent stockouts and stacked properly to prevent any mix-up. Welding electrode. 5 ton per day capacity welding electrode setup will be operational by February 2021 in a newly built shed. A mechanical and chemical lab in the house will ensure the quality of electrodes as per IS standards. Self-drilling screws. By mid-2021, we will have a facility to manufacture self-drilling screws of 10 and 12 gauge with a capacity of 25 lakh screws per month. We have a Kaizen continuous improvement drive in all branches to address these concerns and others. Online packing of chain link product. Before, manual packing was done after calling the product. After implementing the online packing, the time taken for packing was reduced, and this was done without stopping the machine. Loss monitoring to enhance productivity. Before, the time loss was not monitored in chain link production. After starting the production, time monitoring the productivity has been increased and an action plan taken for activity consuming more time in production. Our team has regular one-to-one contact with customers to understand their concerns, if any.